Good morning, everyone. Now that you guys all came in and taking your seats, can you guys please complete the bell work? Just take 1 minute to complete. What is a soluble? Thirty more seconds to shut up real quickly. "15 seconds. Okay, put your pencils down, look up here. When you're all done. Okay, got everyone's eyes. Okay. So can I have 2 volunteers to share what you guys think is a soluble that you put down for your bell work? Jesse,
It's something that dissolves in water.
something that dissolves in water. Very good.
That's what I had.
That's what you had? Wow. You guys are on top of it. Good job. Very good job. Okay. So, since you guys have a good understanding of solubility, but still need to learn quite a bit more, I have these articles here that I'm going to pass around. We'll take 2 minutes to read over this. So take 2 minutes to read over that article and underline any key words that you find in there that you think are important. And you can put your pencils down when you finish the article, so then that'll be a signal that you guys are finished reading the article. All done for me? Wonderful. We'll take 30 more seconds. Are you done, Megan?
Yep.
Okay, wonderful. Everyone's done. Can I get 1 volunteer to come up to the board on the side and write down the keywords that some of us have found in this article? What's that?
I'll do it.
Thank you, Mindy. Some chalk over there. Okay, class. Share with Mindy what some of the keywords that you thought were in the article.
Miscibility.
You gotta spell that.
Miscibility.
Okay, so we have miscibility.
Saturated solution. Dissolve.
Do you have one, Quinn?
No, that's all I have.
That's all you had? Okay. And did you have anything that Mindy or anyone else?
Metastable.
I had something else circled.
Ethanol and water.
Yeah. Ethanol dissolving in water. That's
Yeah.
And what had you
Metastable.
metastable?
okay.
Oh, that's right, that's close, no, that's
Looks
right.
looks wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you, Mindy. Your handwriting's very nice. A lot better than mine, especially chalk. Okay, so now we came up with a couple words, read it in that little article about solubility, did the bell work about what we thought solubility is. But our objectives for today is, number one, what is a soluble? And number two, today, identify a couple different fertilizers and what some of their properties are and what they do when mixed with water. Okay? So before we get started with the activity today, are there any questions about what is a soluble or what we just went over? Okay, seeing none, we'll proceed. Okay, so I have this fun little activity set up for you guys here today. We have a pitcher of water. We got a little baggie of, this is like separated manure solids, so that's some pretty good stuff. We got some legit compost, straight off the compost pile, even better. And then we have some Miracaid, like soil acidifier plant food. That's in a very little box. Okay, and then we got this wonderful fancy silver bullet scale up here. And then we have some cups and we have some stirrers, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the cups and have to mix the fertilizers with water to see if they're soluble or what happens when you mix them together, okay? There's a couple different things a couple different ways you can do it, but we're gonna use our creativity and thinking power to see how we do it and what will happen when we do it, okay? So, and before we begin, we're gonna get in two groups, so if you guys wanna switch up, 2 people in one group and 3 in another, since we only have 5 in our class today, since it's a really small class. But are there any questions before we begin? Okay, so we have all this wonderful stuff up here. You guys have a sheet of paper in front of you. So what I want you to do is record different things that you do, like maybe some of the things you could record, or maybe the time that you were stirring, different weights of water, fertilizer. It's up to you. We just want to have a good understanding of what we put in the cup, what the material was, and how long you stirred before something happened, if anything happened. Okay? No questions? Okay, so you guys can break off into your groups, come up, get your materials, and then begin with your fertilizers and seeing if they're soluble or not. Come on, kiddos.
I think we should do the miracle group first, just by itself. And then we should do a little bit of the other ones. Put the same amount of water.
What's that? You just don't put it on. I can touch it. This doesn't black stuff.
Oh, so like have the weight of the dress be the same in the bones.
That is considered.
6 grams.
Yeah. And then I have a cup that has the water in it.
Yeah, the way that was to make sure we have the same amount.
Yeah, so get 3 cups of
Six grams of stuff.
3 cups of water with the same amount.
Hear it again
Put
and
them together
and see what how much
Hold
water.
on.
What the different textures, how soluble the different textures are to the water.
Yes.
How much
What's
that
the
is
dissolved
going
first?
Manure solids, separated manure solids.
1 minute.
I like that.
Hey.
So how much is it gonna get of each?
Drinking. Let's see.
Time.
It's pour some in a cup and.
Yeah.
And then make them all match.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't do my stuff, whatever's back there.
Well, do it.
Okay, ready?
Stop. It'll do like a minute. It's gonna be a minute.
Yeah, it's 122.
Okay. Alright, when you come to the other side. Where's your scoopers for the rest of it?
You just kind of use your hands.
How much you want?
122.
Thank
you, Mr. Salem.
You're welcome. Just don't ask me to touch other.
Wait, what?
Keep going.
Yeah, keep
No,
going.
it's
You
like
keep
zeroing.
zeroing.
Time out.
Uh-oh. It's a silver bullet failing us today.
It's
I
confused.
really don't wanna do that last.
Try it again.
Okay.
Okay, we're at 9.
Alright, we're good.
You got this.
Okay. Done.
15.
More?
Just a little more, just a little more.
Just a little bit.
That's it, stop, stop.
Too much?
Take some out.
Yeah, take some out. Take some more out, please.
Get just all of the time.
A
More?
little bit.
Yeah.
More.
Oh, we gotta give it that.
Bug, that's good.
You got it?
Alright, now we need one more coat.
Okay. Of the other one?
Yeah.
I don't even Are you trying to get 6 grams again?
The little guy.